Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account at Account, Microsoft.com. This proves ownership and prevents lockouts. Once signed in, make sure your recovery email or phone can receive codes because Microsoft will use them to verify identity. Now go to Security, then Advanced Security Options. This is where email aliases and contact addresses are managed. Follow prompts to reach the identity verification step, because without that confirmation, you cannot alter primary contact information. Next, select Manage how you sign into Microsoft and choose Add Email. This creates a new alias you can set as primary. You can add an existing email or create a new Outlook.com address. Adding an alias keeps data intact and avoids losing subscriptions. After adding, Microsoft sends a verification code or link. Enter it promptly to confirm ownership. Once verified, you can pick that alias as your primary sign-in address so notifications and login workflows update accordingly. To finish, set the verified alias as your primary and remove the old email if you no longer need it. This updates where Microsoft sends account notices. Then sign out and sign back in with the new primary email to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, codes not arriving or changes not applying, make sure spam filters aren't blocking messages, retry verification, and if necessary use Microsoft's account recovery form to prove ownership and restore access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.